Hi learners, in this video you are going to learn a very important topic, bank reconciliation statement. I will prepare a BRS using this data and step by step explain you each transaction. Let's start. First of all, write the name of the organization, that is branch company. Then title, bank reconciliation statement. Next, write the month for which you are preparing BRS, that is July 31st. In the first transaction, balance as per cash book and bank statement is given to us. As you can see, balance as per cash book is $24,970, whereas balance as per bank statement is $27,702. The difference arises due to the transaction given below. Write balance as per bank statement, that is $27,702. Then write balance as per cash book, $24,970. Next, cash receipts of $12,132 was deposited in the bank, but it is not appearing in the bank statement. It means you have added this cash receipts and increased your cash balance, but the bank has not processed the receipts. Think about it. You will add this receipt to increase your bank balance. So we add deposit in transit of $11,132 to the balance as per bank statement. Next, it is given that check number 3031, 3065 and 3069 are outstanding. It means these checks are issued by the company but not cleared by the bank. It means you have deducted these checks in the cash book, but bank balance is inflated by this amount. That's why we will deduct these checks from bank balance. Write the amount in front of respective check number, that is check number 3031 for 1660, check number 3065 for $606, check number 3069 for $2428. Now, write the total of these checks. Next, the bank has collected a note on the behalf of the company, but company have no idea about it. So after receiving the statement, company will increase balance as per cash book. So add proceed from note to the balance as per cash book. Next, it is given that check number 3056 was issued by the company for paying rent. The bank has correctly recorded it, but the company made an error. It recorded the amount as 1240 instead of 1250. It means there is an error of $10. The company will deduct this error in recording check from balance as per cash book. Next, the bank statement shows $805 as NSF check. The company have recorded this as collection and increased the cash book balance, but actually the check was not entertained by the bank on account of insufficient funds. Therefore, company need to deduct this balance. Next, bank charged $15 as service charge. Company need to deduct this from cash book balance. Let's compute adjusted balance. Adjusted balance as per bank statement is $34,140. Book balance is $34,140. As you can see, balance as per bank statement and cash book is now equal after recording all these adjustments. I hope this topic is now clear to you. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.